Hi friends, today I'm making chicken handi with bone in. Usually bone gets more flavor. So I'm gonna see it's not sticking up. Everything is okay. I've taken 2 cups of oil, 2.5 cups of oil. I'm gonna basically fry this. Usually when somebody is making handi, it's always done with more oil. It requires oil to cook the chicken in the first stage, and after that you can change to whatever you want to add. Potatoes, peas, increase the dish if you want. See, the discoloration has already started. This dish is made with very little spices, and yeah, it's not for the healthy, how do you say it, health conscious people. Alrighty, let's cook. There's a quarter teaspoon or less of turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of white pepper. This is my white pepper. A quarter teaspoon of cumin seed powder, and half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm going to use 35% whipping cream, all of it. And the only other ingredient that's going to go in this is 3 whole tomatoes. That's all there is to it. See how nicely it is frying. I like frying chicken like this. It results into something very delicious. Just put a little bit of seasoning, and that's all there is to it, and fry it. Alright, the chicken has started to get brown. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. Here you go, my friend. I have added my tomato paste. These are 3 Roma tomatoes. And now I am going to cover it and let it cook. Why not, while we are here, add some ginger garlic paste to it. I add a tablespoon and a half of ginger garlic paste, and I have added a tablespoon of the tomato paste. I'm going to mix this very well. Oh, it's already started to smell. Nice. And one other thing, you have to keep the heat on medium to high. One other thing, you have to keep the heat to medium to high. You cannot cook this dish on medium or low heat. Alright, I'm going to cover it and see you in 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it looks like this. After 10 minutes, it looks like this. After 10 minutes, it looks like this. The tomato has been cooked more than halfway through. Now I'm going to add my spices. Alrighty, and I'm going to mix them. Oh, it smells so good. Well, I'm a foodie. This is my wife, so I make, and I get excited to smell. The food is really good. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. While I'm here, sugar and salt. This is good enough. Half a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm going to add my 35% cream. This has been well cooked. The spices that I added, they are cooked. I can smell the aroma. And now I'm going to add my cream. Almost all. It is 473 ml. So I added 3/4, so say 350 ml of heavy cream. Then I'm going to incorporate it at mix well. I've turned on my stove. Whenever you add something hot, whenever you add something white, you need to turn on the heat of your stove. Alrighty, it is mixed well. The oil and the cream, they will separate. Don't worry about it. Alrighty, give it another 10 minutes. So, this is how it looks like after 4 minutes-ish. See how well the cream has incorporated with the tomato paste and the spices, and the oil has just started to separate itself completely. The more I mix the oil with the dish, it does not incorporate at all whatsoever. If I leave it for 4 or 5 minutes, it will just stay like that. This is the handi curry made with 35% cream. I'm going to show you the final result. See how the oil is getting on the sides? Yep. Turn it to medium and let it sit for 5 minutes. This is how it looks like after 5 minutes. It's very nice, very aromatic, very nice, very well done. The more I mix the oil, the oil keeps on separating itself from the dish. Of course, once the dish is cooked, the oil floats on the sides. Alrighty guys, hope you liked it, and do not forget to try it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.